Get into a car with value. 2017 BMW X3. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy the journey while you conquer the road in the X3. Intelligent technology, confident and balanced, this sports activity vehicle was designed for passionate drivers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, power liftgate, multi-zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls. You deserve an automobile that's as passionate about the road as you are. Drive the X3.